tayo sa slap tower. So, meron ako ditong white slap hand, blue slap hand, and dark slap hand. So, kailangan natin ito para ipatunayan sa mga trollers. Banding dandoy. Tralalero, tralala, lila. La vaca Saturnita. Okay. Only I finish this in 1 hour. I need to finish this to get the top. Tralalero, up. I'm not good at this, but I'm good at parkours. I'm just joking, I'm good at parkours. Oh no! So wait for me until the end. So I'm here, and let's go jump over here. So this is a difficulty obby. You need to just do a wall hop to get into there. So let's wait until the end. Ano, magsasampalan kayo? Ano, may blue hand daw.
Sige na, tumay ka na.
Peng! Uy.
Ano ba to? Ipyang.
Bong.
Oh, sige na, tumay ka na. Okay na sipo mo.
Wap. Why did you on me? Bang! I need to throw you. Bang! Woo! Uy! Ikaw. Ano? Takot ka sa akin, no? Uy! I decided to go back, bruh. Poing. Hala! Hindi gumana. Dun.
Magwalis ka na yun.
Decided to go back in here. Hindi ka dyan. Hindi naman sa'yo tong cellphone. Daran. Diba ganda yun? Wow! Siya! Boom.
Yeah, come here.
I decided
Ano kaya yan?
go
Ano ka lang, pasok ka
back.
na sahig.
Uy. Akala mo maaano mo ako? May blue hand ako. Blue silapan. Boing. Ano? Sampal ka? Ha? Subukan mo. Ano, masasalap mo ako? Ha? 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 Ano? Gago ka pala eh. Aray. Ano, lalaban. Ay, ikaw sinampal. Lalaban. Ay! Ayoko na.